Voltas is awesome. Great deal, price, cooling, very less noise, very much energy efficient. Not efficient for energy. It's not cooling at all. We really are suffering, and being a loyal customer of Amazon, we want it to be replaced as soon as possible. Overall good at 26 temp, doing good enough cooling. I live in Delhi, but one con I found is noise. Noise is around 55 decibels, not measure but approximately telling you. Kindly check before buying. The air conditioner has no problem except that it is a bit noisy. I had another window AC installed prior to this. Installation service took a tad too longer than expected. Installation wasn't up to the mark. We had to call company again, which resent technician and then rectified rattling sound, not noise. Otherwise too, one doesn't have any other comparable alternative to this inverter window AC. Having no issues with the product till now. Have been using it for a week. Though not the best, but I am satisfied with the product given the price tag compared to LG inverter window AC. Voltas service was usual. They kept on delaying the installation for 4 days. Standard charges for installation of window AC is 200 by Voltas as was promised on call. However, technician took 500. He said the product was purchased from Amazon, that's why you have to pay more. Cooling is good but noisy even with level 1 of fan speed. Need to observe for a few months to understand the energy efficiency and maintenance costs. Installation was about 1200 rupees for a window AC is costly, which is mostly free in all brands other than Amazon and Voltas brand. Click link in description for more reviews.